Are you tired of resellers and hijackers on your Amazon listing? If so, I'm going to be showing you a new tool called Amazon Transparency that my clients recently implemented. If you stay towards the end of the video, I'm also going to be showing you how much it costs to implement that type of tool. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So what is Amazon Transparency? Well, if you go and you type in on Google Amazon Transparency, you're going to see this page right here that explains it for you. And I'm going to explain it for you as well. It's pretty much where you put a unique barcode on your product and Amazon scans it so that way you can tell it's authentic. So Transparency uses secure, unique codes that identify individual units, stop counterfeits from reaching customers. I'm gonna give you a quick it has like little pictures right here, simple yet powerful. Choose what products you want to enroll, and then you apply transparency codes to your products. See, there's a transparency code right there. Next is transparency codes are scanned to ensure only authentic units are shipped. Customers can scan to confirm product authenticity regardless of whether they made the purchase, engage customers using product data, images, videos, promotions, and more. So not only can Amazon's going to receive the product and make sure each and every product has that transparency code, but they're going to make sure nobody else can sell that product or apply to sell that product unless they have transparency codes. And who has the transparency codes? You do. You're going to be the one that can give others transparency codes, or you can just utilize it for yourself. It's going to have this cute little barcode where customers automatically know it's authentic. They're going to be able to scan it with the QR code, and it's also going to help them engage with customers so they can leave pictures, reviews, and stuff like that. It's kind of like a triple whammy on helping your product increase sales, mitigating those resellers and hijackers. But is it worth it? It depends on how many resellers and hijackers you're getting. If you're a large brand and you're starting to get a lot of resellers and hijackers and you don't want to spend the time or money hiring somebody or doing it yourself, this may be a great simple fix. So how do you get started? Well, I showed you how to get to this page, and then you scroll to the bottom and it actually shows you right here how to get started. So you must log in to be eligible. So all you have to do is click this Get Started button or click here to enroll an Amazon brand registry. To enroll an Amazon brand registry, you do need a trademark. So first off, make sure you have a trademark. Second, you need a global trade item number. To get a global trade item number, you can just go to gs1.org, and this is where you can apply for your GTIN number, and it's all 100% official. And then you'll have the ability to apply unique transparency codes. You have to manually apply them. I'm pretty sure you can also have Amazon apply them, but make sure that you are ready to apply them yourself and not have Amazon, because there has been problems with Amazon applying the transparency barcodes and saying that they don't have it and things like that. So be ready. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. So now I'm going to be showing you the costs associated. Now let me zoom in. If I can zoom in just on this left part, I want you to just kind of review this left part first. Boop. Cool. So in 2023, when our clients enrolled in the transparency program, each code, of course, Amazon charges you, it's 5 cents per unit. So they sold 40,000 units that year. So you do 5 cents times 40,000, that's $2,000. So right off the bat, it's $2,000 for them to actually get the transparency code labels from Amazon. Next, you have to manually label the units yourself. Okay, so again, right now it costs 10 cents. They did the math. It was 10 cents per unit for them to manually label it themselves. And they did it for 40,000 units. That's $4,000. And then when you ship them into Amazon, for some reason, there's a few of them where Amazon says you don't have a transparency code, you forgot to put the barcode, something went wrong, you put the duplicate barcode that you used before. So that kind of cost, that was around 40 units and that was around $200. So the first year to implement this, it was $6,200. Now you need to kind of put this in perspective. If you are paying an attorney or paying a company to remove fakes for you, are their fees a lot more than this? Also, are the fakes that were on Amazon, were they making more than this, right? So maybe it is worth it for your brand. And then I'm going to show you for 2024 how they did get the cost down. So in 2024, what they did is they still have to get charged that 5 cents per unit, right? So it's still going to be $2,000 off the bat. But what they did is instead of manually labeling it, they worked with their manufacturer, and now each box, when it's printed, has the transparency barcode on it. So now every time they print the box, it has a special transparency code on it. They just have to give the transparency codes ahead of time to their box manufacturer that makes their box, and now they print it on so they don't have to manually put a sticker on it. So that saved them tons of money, saved them $4,000. And there are still issues ongoing, around 40 per year, with Amazon saying, oh, it's missing a transparency code or you did a duplicate. It happens, right? So now the total cost went from $6,200 a year to $2,200 a year, which is much more manageable, and that's $4,000 in savings. So that kind of gives you a little bit of a breakdown on if transparency is right for you and your brand, or maybe it's better to start off doing it yourself until you grow a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with topics like this. Also, if you do need help selling on Amazon, EHP, this is what we specialize in. We manage over $10 million in sales for our clients, and we know exactly what we're doing. We have over 50 employees, so if you do need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Talk to you soon.